This falcon is the craziest bird in the animal kingdom. Meet the peregrine falcon, a speed demon predator that rules the skies. Let's soar into why it's so wild on Evolution Rewilded. First, it's the fastest animal alive. Peregrines dive at 240 miles per hour, faster than a race car, smashing prey mid-air with bone-crushing force. Their nostrils even have baffles to breathe at supersonic speeds. Next, they're ruthless hunters with laser precision, sniping birds from skyscrapers to cliffs. Found on every continent except Antarctica, these falcons dominate urban jungles and wild coasts like fearless kings. So, why's the peregrine the craziest? Speed, power, and global reign make it a sky-born lunatic. Which bird's crazier in your book? Comment below and subscribe for more animal madness.